Let me be honest with you, sis. There are some hair mistakes that are quietly aging you, and nobody is talking about them. Not your stylist, not your friends, nobody. But today, right here on Golden Melanin Lifestyle, we are having that real conversation because you deserve to walk into every room looking like the gorgeous, radiant black queen that you are. If you are a black woman over 50 and you have been feeling like something about your hair just is not clicking anymore, like you look in the mirror and something feels off but you cannot quite put your finger on it, stay right here, because by the time this video is done, you are going to know exactly what to fix. And honey, the difference is going to be everything. We are counting down 10 hair mistakes that are adding years to your appearance, and some of them are going to surprise you. So do not go anywhere, because mistake number 5 is one that almost every woman over 50 is making right now without even realizing it. Now let us get into it. Mistake number 1, holding on to a hairstyle that your hair has already outgrown. Let me ask you something, and be honest with yourself. When was the last time you actually changed your hairstyle? Not touched it up, not got a trim, actually changed it. For a lot of us, we found a style that made us feel beautiful at some point in our lives, and we held on to it like it was a life jacket. And sis, I completely understand that. But here's the truth. Your hair at 55 is not the same hair you had at 35. Your face has evolved, your bone structure has shifted slightly, your hair texture has changed, and a style that was everything back then might actually be working against you now. If your hair feels flat and lifeless most of the time, if your style seems to pull your face downward instead of lifting it, or if people keep telling you that you remind them of someone from a completely different era, that is your sign. It is time for a loving upgrade. Soft layers around the face, a modern cut that moves with your hair, something that brings attention to your beautiful eyes and your bone structure. That is the energy we are going for. A fresh cut does not mean losing yourself. It means becoming even more yourself. Mistake number 2, pretending that hair thinning is not happening. Now, I need you to stay with me here because this is a tender topic for a lot of women. As black women over 50, many of us experience changes in hair density and thickness. Hormonal shifts, years of protective styling, and the natural aging process can all contribute to thinning. And the worst thing you can do is ignore it and keep styling your hair the same way you always have. Thinning hair handled the wrong way can look flat, sparse, and can actually draw more attention to the very thing you are trying to hide. But thinning hair handled with the right cut and the right approach can still look absolutely full and stunning. Shorter, textured styles are magic for thinning hair. A beautifully shaped cut with layers creates the illusion of fullness and body. Lightweight, volumizing products can lift your roots and give you bounce without weighing your strands down. Your hair is still beautiful, sis. It just needs a different kind of love now. Mistake number 3, choosing a hairstyle without considering your face shape. This is one of the most overlooked things in the world of hair, and it makes such a significant difference. Your face shape is the frame, and your hairstyle is the picture inside it. When the two work together, the result is absolutely breathtaking. If you have a rounder face, styles that add height and length, like tapered cuts or styles with some lift at the crown, will elongate your features beautifully. If your face is more oval or heart-shaped, you have incredible flexibility. Soft curls, close cuts, and layered styles all tend to look stunning on you. The key is to stop picking hairstyles based on what you see on someone else and start choosing based on what works specifically for your beautiful face. And if you are not sure what your face shape is, that is what stylists who specialize in textured and mature hair are for. Drop a comment below right now and tell me, do you know your face shape? Let us talk about it. Mistake number 4, skipping your regular trims. I hear this one all the time. I'm growing my hair out, so I'm not cutting it. Sis, I love you, but this logic is actually slowing your progress, not helping it. As Black women over 50, our hair strands become more fragile over time. They are more prone to dryness, splitting, and breaking. When you skip trims, those split ends travel up the hair shaft and cause even more breakage. So the length you're trying to protect is actually being silently destroyed from the ends up. A trim every 6 to 8 weeks keeps your hair strong, healthy, and shaped. It keeps your style looking intentional and polished rather than overgrown and tired. Think of it as maintenance for your crown. You maintain everything else that matters to you. Your hair deserves the same dedication. Mistake number 5, using products that were never designed for your hair. Okay, here it is, the one I promised you, and I really need you to hear this. The products you have been using for the last 20 years may be the very thing holding your hair back right now. Heavy creams and thick butters that once gave your hair life might now be sitting on your strands like a wet blanket, making thinning hair look even flatter. Shampoos that were fine when your scalp was oilier might now be stripping your hair of the moisture it desperately needs in this season of life. Mature black hair needs lightweight hydration. It needs products that protect fragile strands, add moisture without grease, and support your scalp health. Read your labels. If a product is not formulated with the needs of mature or textured hair in mind, it might be doing more harm than good. Your hair routine should evolve with you, just like everything else. Mistake number 6, not giving your gray the specific care it deserves. Can we celebrate gray hair for a moment? Because silver and gray on Black women is one of the most regal, stunning, powerful looks in existence. But here is the thing. Gray hair has a completely different texture and needs than pigmented hair. It tends to be coarser, drier, and more prone to yellowing and dullness if it is not cared for properly. If you are embracing your natural gray, which you absolutely should feel empowered to do, make sure your routine includes deep moisture treatments specifically for gray or silver strands. Products that brighten and tone your gray will keep it looking vibrant and luminous instead of dull and yellow. And if you are not ready to go fully gray yet, that is perfectly fine too. Soft highlights and lowlights can create a beautiful, graceful blend. The goal is to look intentional and radiant, not like you simply stopped caring. Mistake number 7, overloading your hair with heat. Heat styling tools are wonderful, but they're like that friend who is fun in small doses. Too much of them and things start to fall apart. Excessive heat on mature black hair leads to dryness, breakage, and a loss of your natural texture over time. And the older our hair gets, the harder it is to recover from that kind of damage. Try to embrace more heat-free styling days. Twist outs, braid outs, roller sets, and carefully styled wash and go looks can give you beautiful results without the damage. And when you do use heat, a good heat protectant is not optional. It is essential. Protect your strands, sis. They are irreplaceable. Now, I want to hear from you. Which one of these mistakes hit closest to home for you? Drop it in the comments below. This community is a safe space, and your sisters are right here with you. If this video gave you something valuable today, and I truly hope it did, please subscribe to Golden Melanin Lifestyle so you never miss a video created just for you. And share this with a sister, a friend, or a loved one who needs to hear this today. Stay golden, stay glowing, and we will see you in the next one.